have Batgirl and the Black Canary. How long did it take you guys to make your costumes?
About 2 months.
2 months? Wow. These costumes are great. Are these your favorite comic book characters?
Yeah, definitely.
One of them?
Oh man, I got too many, man.
Okay, that's cool. I like that.
Canary, Batgirl, Witchblade.
Witchblade? Alright.
You gonna show up tomorrow with somebody else?
Probably not. We're taking a break.
I know you guys are getting mad attention. These are the best costumes I've seen at the con this day.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys did a real good job on them. You guys can take these cards.
Okay.
I'll be posting these pictures and the interviews up at freestylecomics.com. You guys can go there and check out all the other costumes that don't compare to yours, and see this interview. And you can see all my artwork with all my friends. He writes my book, I draw it. He designed the website, he inked the book. Wynn's got some stuff up there too. So, alright, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye. Can I get a pose?
Attention, Robert Reyes.
Yeah! Ass kickery.